Amid the market turbulence, these altcoins are seeing significant gains with a new narrative, and could Solana see a spot ETF listing by the end of the year? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so no one drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, altcoinbuzz.io, and as always, it's not financial advice. We wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. United States spot Bitcoin ETFs have noticed their biggest day of net inflows in more than a month amid a weak crypto market. The 11 funds raked in $295 million on July 8th, and this marks the first day in the last 3 trading weeks that net inflows across all funds had been in the green. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF saw the most significant daily inflow at $187.2 million, followed by Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, which posted gains of $61.5 million. Meanwhile, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust also saw a rare day of positive price action, notching $25.1 million of inflows. It's the biggest day of inflows since June 5th, when the ETF exceeded $488 million in fresh capital. This comes amid a wider market worry concerning hefty Bitcoin sales from the German government and Mt. Gox creditor repayments. To date, the German government has transferred over 26,200 Bitcoin, worth $1.5 billion at current prices, to exchanges and market makers. At the time of writing, it still holds 27,460 Bitcoin, worth $1.57 billion in reserve. Meanwhile, there are worries that $8.5 billion in Bitcoin could hit the markets in the coming months as the collapsed Japanese crypto exchange Mt. Gox begins paying back creditors who lost their funds in a 2014 hack. However, some analysts say fears around the Mt. Gox Bitcoin sale may be overblown. The price of Bitcoin has tumbled over the last 2 trading weeks, dropping as low as $53,600 on July 5th. Amid the minor uptick in trading activity in the general cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours, the Layer 2 ecosystem has witnessed some growth. Starknet and Manta Network are some of the Layer 2 assets that have recorded the most gains in the past 24 hours. Starknet currently trades around 60 cents, and the altcoin has risen by 9% in the past 24 hours. The price hike is accompanied by a surge in daily trading volume. At $75 million at the time of writing, the altcoin's daily trading volume has risen by 30%. When an asset's price rises alongside its trading volume, it strongly confirms the uptrend. This indicates that more buyers are entering the market. Stark's price movements, as assessed on a 4-hour chart, reveal the altcoin's price has broken above the upper line of its descending channel, which has formed resistance since June 17th. A descending channel is a bearish signal. This pattern is formed when an asset's price consistently moves lower, creating a series of lower highs and lower lows. When an asset's price crosses the upper line of a descending channel, it suggests that buying pressure is overcoming selling pressure, and this marks the first time Stark's price will rally above this upper line in over a month. The value of Manta, the native token that powers the Manta network, has risen by almost 7% in the past 24 hours. In the past 24 hours, trading volume across Manta's derivatives market has risen by over 30%, which has totaled $87 million. Furthermore, for the first time since June 4th, Manta's funding rate across cryptocurrency exchanges is positive. Funding rates are a mechanism in perpetual futures contracts that ensure contract prices stay close to the spot price. If an asset's contract price is higher than its spot price, traders who hold long positions pay a fee to traders shorting the asset. When an asset's funding rate is more positive like this, it means there's more demand for long positions. It signals that more traders are buying the asset in anticipation of a rally. If Manta maintains its uptrend and the demand for long positions continues to surge, its value may rise to 89 cents. Spot Solana ETFs should receive a final decision from the United States SEC around the middle of March 2025 after the Chicago Board Options Exchange, or CBOE, filed applications on Monday to list VanEck and 21 Shares proposed ETFs. CBOE filed 2 19B4 applications on July 8th, one for the 21 Shares Core Solana ETF and another for the VanEck Solana Trust. The CBOE likened the prospective Solana funds to the Spot Bitcoin and Spot Ether ETFs, which the SEC approved in January and in May. They said much like Bitcoin and ETH, the exchange believes that SOL is resistant to price manipulation. ETF analyst Nate Garassi said once the SEC acknowledges the filings, the decision clock will start ticking. According to the SEC's own rules, the agency will have 240 days to decide whether or not to approve the rule change necessary for CBOE to list the products from VanEck and 21 Shares. Senior Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas warns that the likelihood of a Solana ETF approval from the SEC depends heavily on whether or not Donald Trump is elected as US president in November. He wrote on X, "Looks like Solana ETFs are going to have a final deadline of mid-March 2025, but between now and then, the most important date is in November. If Biden wins, these are likely dead on arrival. If Trump wins, anything is possible." Play-to-earn space exploration game Landrocker will have its token listed on the cryptocurrency exchange BingX today, July 9th. According to a July 9th Landrocker announcement, The listing comes just as the development team introduced a new roadmap. It also follows the launch of LRT on crypto exchange Mexi and the top decentralized exchange Uniswap. Landrocker's LRT presale raised $2.8 million, and the announcement promises that listings on Tier 1 exchanges, including Bybit, KuCoin, and Gate.io, are anticipated and soon following. The new roadmap integrates daily video updates and a live interactive map meant to allow users to track the project's development in real time. The project's CEO said, "We're pioneering a new level of transparency and engagement in the gaming industry with our dynamic roadmap. This approach sets a high standard for openness, strengthening the trust and involvement of our community and stakeholders, marking a first as no other project has implemented such a transparent and agile framework." On top of that, they shared on X yesterday, Premier NFT collection drops in 48 hours. Get ready, Landrockers. The Premier NFT collection is going live in just 48 hours. Secure your favorite assets using LRT and enhance your Landrocker experience. Don't miss out on these exclusive NFTs. Stay tuned for more updates. So check out Landrocker's new listing on BingX and their Premier NFT collection drop tomorrow, July 10th, with the links down below. Telegram has been on fire lately, dropping amazing games, introducing crazy features in order to enhance its apps. 2 games have gotten people's attention and are performing extremely well given the market condition. One of the games even recently got listed on the Bybit exchange. Bybit is the latest cryptocurrency exchange to begin offering pre-market trading for Hamster Combat's Hamster token on Monday, offering an additional way for traders to get in on the Telegram game as its token launch approaches. At the time of writing, Hamster is trading for about 12 cents on Bybit's pre-market platform. The developers of Hamster Combat have yet to announce the conversion rate at which they'll award players on-chain tokens in exchange for the in-game coins they've earned. For example, Telegram game notcoin, the original Telegram tap-to-earn gaming sensation, gave players 1 notcoin per 1,000 in-game coins they earned earlier this year. That uncertainty makes pre-market trading even more of a gamble, since there's no assurance that Hamster Combat will give out tokens at a 1-to-1 ratio. Hamster Combat has quickly become a gaming phenomenon in recent weeks, attracting a claimed 238 million users, according to Telegram CEO Pavel Durov late last week. The second Telegram game Notcoin led altcoins in a price recovery over the past few days. A month ago, Notcoin took the market by storm after soaring by over 500% in 2 weeks. The Telegram-based sensation began its journey as an in-game currency for a clicker game last year. Earlier this year, the project saw wider integration with a messaging app in the Open Network blockchain. Its massive success sparked a discussion among investors about crypto and Web3 gaming. Some users consider that Notcoin has revolutionized marketing and gaming in Web3 and paved the way for the next wave of play-to-earn projects in the Tom blockchain. Notcoin recently announced that Notcoin Explorer, the platform for launching Web3 projects in Telegram, was open. With over 200 projects already launched via Notcoin and over 22.5 million participants, the platform will be a win-win case for users and developers.